Hi, everyone. I'm going to go ahead and do the video for today, Wednesday, and also for tomorrow's Thursday. So you've got the choice, again, of doing your work ahead of time if you'd like. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, I need you to tear out 211, 212. We'll start with that. We are continuing on our lessons for suffixes. And the review, again, suffixes are at the end of the word of a root word, or sometimes they call it a base word. Put your name at the top of the sheet and let's get started. It says double the final consonant and add ER and EST to each word. Write the new words. Compare your answers with yourself. Double check it. Here's the hint. Sometimes you need to make spelling changes before adding the ER and EST. So if I start with a word that has a vowel and then a consonant, like here's my vowel E and there's the consonant T, I know I need to double the consonant in any of those words. I also know from previously that if I have a Y, I need to drop the Y and add the IER or IEST in this case. So we're going to take a look, and we have thin. If I have a word such as thin, I have the vowel of I here, and I have a N is my consonant. So I know I need to double that consonant. I need to, if I'm changing my spelling from thin to thinner, I want to make sure I add the double consonant. Double means two, so two N's to my ER. I will do the same. I would do the same with the EST. So if I'm comparing three or more, I'm going to use the EST, doubling the N. Let's go down. You'll do the same for 2 and 3, but let's see what the next part wants us to do. Change the Y to I and add ER and EST to each word. Write the new words. So they want us to drop the Y, and then instead of saying IED or ING, it's the common pattern. We're going to drop the Y and add IER. So if I say Cohen is funnier than Mrs. Swint, I've just compared him to one person. So I'm going to drop the Y, I'm going to add an I, and I'm going to make it ER. I've compared him to one other person, two people. Now, if I say, let's say, how about if I picked Colton? Colton is the funniest in the class. Again, I'm going to drop the Y and add I, and then the EST. I'm comparing him to the whole class, which is a lot more than just two people. You'll finish 5 and 6 in the same manner. Let's go ahead and let's do Thursday's assignment. Thursday's assignment is more with syllables. It says this: add the suffix to the root word. Whoops, I'm sorry. This is not Thursday's. This is the backside of today's. Add the suffix to the root word and write the new word. Say the word, write the number of syllables you hear. So if I have a word such as harmful, I'm going to combine that harm, the root word, with the suffix full. Harmful. I know there I have 2 syllables. So go ahead and you'll finish the top part here. And the bottom part says to circle the suffix in each word. Answer the questions below. If you're circling the suffix, remember a suffix comes at the end of the word. So if this is my base word or my root word, and I'm going to circle my suffix. Follow through for the 7 through 18 doing that. How many syllables does each suffix that you circled add to the root word? Generally, is it 1? Is it a 2-syllable word? Is it 0? None. None, 1, or 2. All right. Now I'm going to show you tomorrow's work. So let's go ahead. 213, 214. This is going to be the review, and I believe the assessments on the back of this. Put your name at the top, and here we go. Find and write the word that goes with each definition. So remember, the suffix is going to also give us a new meaning to some words. So without fear would be fearless. Being loud might be loudness. So take a look at your choice of words in the word bank. Remember the root words or the base words, and then choose the one with the appropriate suffix. On the bottom, add ER and EST to each root word. Again, just a review. You can go back to the previous worksheets you did to understand now, when do I drop a Y? Oh, I always drop a Y. When do I double the consonant? When I have a vowel consonant combination. So make sure you do those correctly. On the back side will be your assessment. And so this is the last assessment we'll be doing before grade cards. So make sure you do your best on this. So it says to write the root word for each word. You need to go ahead and take a look at the word. If I look at the word fearful, I know full was the suffix. So I need simply to write the root word. I'm following what the directions are telling me to do. Just write the root word. That's it. So you will do that in 1 through 12. For the bottom of the sheet, it says, underline the word in parentheses that makes sense in each sentence. So maybe read the sentence with each word. Don't just choose it right away, and so that you don't make any mistakes. The first one, number 13, we'll do together. It was the hottest day of the year. It was the hotter day of the year. Well, first of all, hottest sounds better, but I also know it's correct because if I'm comparing more than that day to all the 365 days of the year, I know I'm doing more than 2. I'm comparing it with 3 or more. So you are going to then underline or circle, whichever is going to be the correct ending. So that's everything with your review and your assessment. Go ahead, my friends, finish up the work for the week if you'd like. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.